It says ice cream. Yum! I'm getting hungry. Let's see what flavors we have inside. Mint chocolate chip. Strawberry. Vanilla. And chocolate. Yum! My favorite. Here's a cone. And another cone. And here's the scooper. How about strawberry with chocolate? Yum, that's a great combination. How about some vanilla with mint chocolate chips? Super delicious. We have 2 more cones. And lots more ice cream. Let's check out all the colors we have. Here's white. Here's blue. Here's a pink. Yellow. This is gonna be a tall ice cream. Green. Brown. Chocolate, yum. Red. Blue. Orange. Purple. That's a tall ice cream. Yum! Let's see how many scoops we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 scoops of ice cream. That's a lot of ice cream. It sure looks delicious. Wow, what's this? It looks like we have a school bus monster truck. Wow, that's cool. Check out the giant wheels. They're super wide too. Whoa! This is the biggest monster truck school bus I've ever seen. Whoa! Let's see what else we have here. We have a green car, and it says 4. Here's the number 4 on it. Here we have a purple car with the number 7. 7. Here we have another green one with the number 5. 5. And a blue car with the number 6. 6. So we have 6, 5, 7, 4. Wait, what's this? It's a red car with a number 1. And here comes a yellow car with the number 3. And here is one more, orange with the number 2. So now we have orange, red, yellow, blue, green, purple, green. 4, 7, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2. That's not right. Let's put them in order. First, it's number 1. Then, it's number 2. Followed by number 3. Then, it's number 4. Now, it's number 5. Then, number 6. And last is number 7. They're in order now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,